In this problem, one pendulum bob of mass 80 milligram is suspended through roof. This is roof, and this is the mean position of pendulum bob. Because of horizontal electric field is applied, which is horizontal. The charged pendulum bob get experienced electric force and ultimately comes in rest at this point. Here given mass is 80 milligram, means 80 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram, and charge on the bob is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, where horizontal electric field, the value of electric field is given 2 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter. Our aim is to find in equilibrium the angle with vertical and tension in the string. As we know that one gravitational force will act downside, vertically downward. Because of horizontal electric field and this is charged body, this will experience a force in the direction of electric field. Due to this electric field, the bob shifted and balanced by these three forces. In equilibrium, net force on bob will be 0. It means that the net force in y-axis will be 0, as well as net force in x-axis will also be 0. So because q is in x direction and mg is in y direction, t is in xy plane, this angle is theta, this will also be theta. So better to split t into two components, two rectangular components, in this y-axis and on x-axis. On x-axis, its component will be t sin theta, because this is angle and opposite side of angle is perpendicular. And on y-axis the component will be t cos theta. In equilibrium, summation fy equal to 0, it means that mg is balanced by t cos theta, and summation fx is 0, it means that q is balanced by t sin theta. So we can write t sin theta equal to qe. This is equation number 1, and t cos theta equal to mg. This is equation number 2. We need to calculate t and theta. So if we divide equation number 1 by equation number 2, t is cancelled by t, and we will get tan theta, which will be equal to qe upon mg. Put the value of q, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8, e 2 into 10 to the power 4, m 80 into 10 to the power minus 3, and g is 10. On calculation, this will result 0.51. It means that tan theta equal to 0.5. If you see in the table of tan theta, the angle for 0.51 is 27 degree. So this is our first result. Now we have to calculate t. So from equation number 1, t sin theta equal to qe. From here we can calculate t. T is QE upon Sin theta, put the value of Q 2 into 10 to the power minus 8, E 2 into 10 to the power 4 and sin 27 degree. If we put the value of sin 27 and calculate, this will result 8.81 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. This is the answer.